What's he hiding in the emission floppy disks?
Hey, what's up? This is Sameer and you're watching the another episode of my series called Am I Still in 2020? In this video, we are going to see about a old retro thing, like it was mostly used for installing the softwares. It's used as a storage media and it is the floppy disk. And its storage is very less. Nowadays we are having a huge amount of storage on our pen drives, memory cards, but this only has 1.44 MB and this is made from the company of Emission in USA. Now let's do the unboxing of the floppy disks. So it has 10 disks in it. So it is of Emission company, world leading diskette manufacturer. I think it is the most biggest company of the floppy disk. Even in the DVDs there are a good huge leading company. So it is from USA, made in USA, then certified 100% error free by Emission, fungus resistant media, anti-static design. So I'm waiting for it to get unboxed. It has the storage capacity of 1.44 MB and I'm using a pen drive of 32 GB. How cool it is. So take the cutter. Yeah, unwrapping it. I love this part to unwrap. It's new. Okay. Oh my god, they used a strong adhesive tape to close it. Okay. Ouch. Yeah. Okay. Wow, it's so cool and satisfying. Yeah, let's take one. It's so nice. I haven't seen this before, just only on pictures. Now I could feel it. So nice. Then it's something circle thing. I don't know what is it. There's something called lock and unlock. It is an unlock condition. How to lock, I don't know. Oh, so nice. So nice. Hey, there's something. Don't touch the sensor. I think it's the sensor. Yeah, that thing. It's so hard. I don't know how it will get rid or damaged. So nice. You should not use magnet, as well as the temperature level has been set 30 degree to 40 degrees Celsius, 50 to 150 Fahrenheit. I want to break it and see what's inside. Oh wait, I saw something. Yeah. So it will be like this. So it just asked us not to touch that sensor. If we just slide that sensor. So I think while we are inserting it, we have to just pull and just insert in the slot. See? Okay, a nice technology. So I want to open it. I don't know where to start to break it. Okay, let's start from the front face. It's so hard to open it. Okay, I thought of using a Dremel tool, but I want to use the powers of my hand. Okay, I think there will be a circular thing, and when we start it, this thing rotates, and whatever the data is inside, it gets read. Yeah, open. Mm, yeah, got it. Whew. See, I guess it perfectly. This just like a film used in old cameras. Oh, this is even lightweight, and it's like pizza cutter if it had one handle, and it's a pin to open and close. I think we could just open it, or maybe it's used for the rotation of those wheel. Yeah, and it had something cloth. Maybe it's just for cleaning of it. If it spins like that, it won't get any scratches in it. Yeah, I want to take this cloth out, and it's so soft. It's maybe used for cleaning. Yeah, I just want to tear this film. Okay. Oh, it was so easy to take it, and it's also so satisfying. Let's cut this thing. Oops, it's very hard. Those these things are very hard enough to cut. So I have 9 more floppy disks left. So this is the 9th one. I don't want to break it, and I like this thing to open and close. Nice technique to just protect the layer or something, and we just use in IBM. How cool it is. IBM has been discontinued for a long time. Now it is also recognized as Lenovo. So this is nothing but they don't install the softwares, and all the softwares are in this thing. So most people use this thing, and it's just of 144 MB. Maybe at those days the 1.44 MB is just as like 2 terabytes. They will open and just insert inside the slot, and this wheel will start to rotate, and that. So see, and it will start to rotate, and it will also get the data will start to get read. So it will also have a protection of the cloth thing we saw. It is so nice to just pull and close, pull and close, pull and close. So it's so nice. I just also found the manual in it, so let's see what the manual says. Okay, emission limited time warranty. It also has warranty for this thing. So funny. And this thing also says about the lock and unlock. Okay, maybe it's to pull this thing and just lock it. It's so hard to lock. Maybe there will be something other way to just do. Okay, just leave it. Let's go further. Oh, there are stickers. I love to peel stickers. Oh, I think we just need to peel that off and write something, and we just need to stick it in this area. Maybe they want to know what thing is inside there. Nowadays we use DVD markers. I think those markers won't be visible on the black surface. So now they use DVDs for installation of drivers, then SD cards, which is so small, and then DVDs 8.5 GB, which is, and that thing is just 1.44 GB. That's 32 GB, and this is known as the evolution. This was the floppy disk of the early 19th, and this is 8.5 GB DVD. Yeah, Sony company. This there's also emission DVD. So yeah, then this is the SD card.
which is very small, and it's 2.0 GB, but there's also up to 64 GB to 128 GB, I guess. So compare the size difference between those.
So people mostly use this thing for, they don't have any storage media in their computers, that is IBM. So they will use this floppy disk to install anything. So they will use this and go to any companies or any center, and they will use this software, use this floppy disk, and they will just insert in the slot, and they will copy those softwares inside this floppy disk. So they will bring the floppy disk back home, insert in the slot of their IBM, and it will just start the program. It won't just install inside the storage media. They will just use as the one-time use. Whenever if we use a DVD as a autoplay for movies, like that, they will use it as a software for auto playing software.